Right, we label the size. So for me to do this one here, we labels A, B, and C, right? My C is 16, so 16 square is equal to FA square plus 10 square. Anybody can help me? What is 16 square, please?
So it's 156.
Come again.
256.
256, yes, is equal to FA square plus 100, right?
No, 100.
Now, what will I do next? How do I find FH? What will I do?
Make it the subject.
Right. We find, so 256, yes, we transpose minus 100 is equal to FA square. Now, so this will give me 156, right? It's equal to FA square. Now, what will I do next?
Find the square root.
So we get rid of the what?
The square.
We get rid of the square root, right? So if you get rid of the square root, opposite of square is what? Square root of 156 is equal to FA square. Now, can somebody tell me what is the square root of 156, please?
12.5.
12.5, right? Centimeter. So FH will give me 12.5 what? Centimeters. Meter. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
So in the exam scenario, listen carefully. In the exam scenario, we need to put here, we have to put in the 12.5. All right. So you, the student, have to remember that the answer you got, you are going to put it right here. Right. You come here and put here 12.5. I think 12.5 something, but it's okay. 12.5 centimeter. Because that will help you to do the next question. So what was the next question now? What was the second question? Anybody remember?
Calculate the length of EF.
Now we want to calculate the length of EF, right? We have been asked to calculate, right? Calculate the length of EF. Now, so for me to calculate the length of EF, what will I do?
EF square.
So so what we do, we label the size too, right? So here that been E, here that been F, and here that been what? H. So this is 12.5. This side is 5 centimeter. I want to find what? EF. So we label the size, right? If we label the size, here that means C, A, and B. Right. The formula is C square is equal to A square plus B square. So wherever you have C, you put EF square is equal to 5 square plus 12.5 square. Agree, everyone? Okay, EF square. What is 5 square?
25.
25, yes. What is 12.5 square?
156.3.
156.3. Okay. All right. So EF square we add this to, when we add this to, what we get? 25 plus 163 point is what we get.
$181.3.
181.3. They say EF is got to square roots 181.3. Right. Work it out, what do we get?
$13.5.
13.5 centimeter. We cool. But this is not all the questions, am I right? What was the next question?
Calculate the area of triangle EFG.
Now, so we remember that we are trying to do the homework from yesterday, right? So we want to find the area. Now, area for EFG. Now, what's the formula to find the area of the triangle EFG? What's the
Base times height.
half times the base times the height, right? So if it's half times base times height, right? So here I'm going to say that half times the base times the height. So this could be half. What will be the base? You can tell me the base of the triangle.
15.
Yeah.
15. How you get the 15?
Add
Add the 5 and the 10.
We add the 5 and the 10 times the height. What is my height?
12.5.
12.5. All right. Now, so can somebody multiply 1 times 15 times 12.5? The answer you get divided by 2 and tell me what you get, please.
$93.75. 93.8.
Okay, do me a favor. When you multiply 1 times 15 times this, what do we get?
93.7.
No, before that.
Oh,
15 times 12.5, what do you see? What do you get on a calculator, please?
$187.5.
187.5. Okay, divided by 2. I just want to show the working. Is that okay? So that then this will give you 90 what?
93.75.
Centimeter what?
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, this is what I gave for homework from last night's class, right? But I promise you guys today we'll go a little bit deeper, right, to it. Then what we do on Friday, we're going to start trigonometry ratio, where we're going to do sine, cosine, and tangent, right? We'll come to that on Friday. But for today, we're still going to do trigonometry what? No, Pythagoras what? Theorem. Any questions so far? Any question?
No, sir.
All right. So let's go through now, right? So we are going to look at a different one question now. Anybody writing? Anybody writing? No? Okay. So let's go now. We are going to try some few questions, all right? All right, so there we go now. So I give you this. I give you this. Okay. Then we put the right angle right here. This side is K. This side is J. This side is L. This side is M. This side is 30 centimeters. This side is 18 kilometers. No, centimeters, sorry. And this side is 30 centimeters. This is 39, sorry, 39. Right, so let me just write it good. $39, 30, 18. They say calculate, right? I calculate the length, right? Calculate the length of, the first one is JL. The second one is KM. So I am going to give you guys some time, right, to figure it out. What will I find what is JL, and how do I find what is what? KM. So the first question they want you to find is what? JL, right? After you find JL now, you want to find K what? KM. So I'll give you guys some 10 minutes to figure it out. So everybody should find JL for me. Then later you're going to find what is KM. Can we do that? Give me a thumbs up if you can do this question. So only 2 people. I need everybody to attempt it, right? Every single person have to attempt it. Is that okay? We can do this, right? We can what? We can do this. Now remember that your main aim is to find what? JL first. Ask yourself, how will you find JL, right? Now, I am going to encourage you, do not sit down until we started working and write it in your book. No, don't do that. You see, when it comes to the online thing. So what do we do next? Anybody can tell me what is the square root of 945?
30.7.
Come again.
30.7.
What do you say? Can you please repeat?
Sir, hear me now?
30.7. All right. Centiwatt meter. Oops. All right. Now, so have I finished?
No, sir.
So what do I do now?
Sir, you add that to the 18, which is KL.
Right. So we are going to start the KM. KM is going to be equals to 18 centimeter plus the what? 30.7 centimeter, right? Can we add a 2, please, and tell me what we
Sir,
get?
48.7.
48.7 centiwatt meter. We follow through.
Sir.
Okay, so are you ready to take on the next challenge? Can we look at the next one? Can we move on?
Yes, sir.
All right. So this time around, right, we are going to try and look at a past per question, right? So this is how it goes, and let's see if we can do this one here together, right? So here they were giving this. Right, then this one was like this. Cool, and you have this one going this way, and they give another one like this. All right, now what they did was to put here was a right angle triangle. All right, then they have here W, they have here R, they have here 14.2. Then they have this side, and they have here 14.4. All right, and they ask them to find RS. They say find the length of RS. Find the length, right? So the first one they gave, this was 6 centimeters, right? They say they should find the length of RS, right? Okay, so how will you find the length of RS here? Talk to me, guys. How will I find RS? Easy.
Sir. Sir.
Yes, I'm listening.
Sir, so I'm not sure, but would you find WS first?
WS. No, but can we find WS? Remember that thing? Is the WS part is a right angle triangle? No, this idea. Okay. How many right angle triangles do I have? So that's something you have to look at first. How many right angle triangles do we have here? How many right angle triangles? We have 2. How many triangles in all? The first right angle triangle we have, right, would have been W, R, and S, right? The next right angle triangle we have would have been W, R, T. Then the other one we have is not a right angle triangle, that's just a triangle, right? That would be WST. WST is not a right angle triangle. This part here, look at it. This idea is not a right angle triangle. Everyone knows what I'm saying? So we have to be careful. We can't use this part to find WS at all, right? Because this part here is not a right angle triangle. Am I making any sense to anybody? You follow what I'm saying? This part here I shaded is not a right angle triangle, so we can't use this part here to find WS. Now, our main aim is to find RS, so try again. Now remember that we want to find what? We want to find, our main aim is to find RS. How will you find RS? Knowing that WRT is a right angle triangle and WRS is also a right angle triangle, but WST is not a right angle triangle. How will I find RS? Look at the bigger picture first.
Sir, would you find RT and then you minus the 6 from it to get RS?
Yes, I'm listening. You find what? You find what are we going to find
RT.
first?
RT.
Beautiful. We find RT first. Everybody see that? We find what? RT first. And after we find RT, what do? We what?
Minus the 6.
Beautiful. I love that. I love that. So that's the essence, right? So the first we are going to do is we are going to find what? We are going to find RT first. Now, how will you find RT, by the way? Which triangle will you use to find RT?
WRT.
WRT. So we use the big triangle itself, right? So the first we are going to do is say, if we are going to use the big triangle itself to find WRT, right? So if this is the triangle, this one is what? W, right? R and what? T. Right? Now this is 14.2, right? This side here is what? This is 14.4. I want to find RT. So how do we find RT now? We'd have used the Pythagoras Theorem, am I right? We label the size. So here that be what? C, A, and what? B. C square is equal to A square plus B square. Whatever I've said, I put 14.4 is equal to A 14.2 square plus RT square. All right. Now, what will I do next? What do we do next?
$14.2 square is 201.4.
All right. So it had been 14 point. Okay, when you work out this, what do you get?
201.64.
Okay, 201.64 is equal to the next one that be what? Oh, my bad, guys. You have to forgive me. My bad. I put some figure wrong here. This one is 11.2. I was not seeing clearly. Forgive me, guys. All right. So if not, our answer going to give us wrong. This is 11.2. Change it for me. And this is remains the same. Yeah, it remains the same, right? My bad. So it's 11.2. So I need to change this figure here. This one is 11.2. 11.2, right? This remains the same. So I have to come here and change that. All right. This is 11.2, please. Can somebody tell me what is 11.2 square, please? What is 11.2 square?
125.44.
0.44. Thank you. Plus RT square. All right. So what do we do now? 201.64 minus 125.44 is equal to RT square. Now let's minus the two. What do we get? 200,
70.2.
70 point what?
76.2.
0.2. 20, right? It's equal to RT squared, yes? So it's the square root of 76.20 is equal to RT. Now remember, this is a CSE questions we are looking at, right? Okay, what's the square root of this? What's the square root of 76.20?
8.72.
8.72 is equal to RT, right? Now, centimeter. Now, remember that they want to find RS. So we say therefore RS will be equals to RT minus ST, right? So just work it. RT, we got 8.72 centimeter minus 6 centimeter, right? Now, when we minus, what do we get? (8.72 minus 6), what do we get?
2.72.
2.72 centimeter, right? So our final answer is going to be what? 2.72 centimeter. Follow me, everybody. Final answer, right? 2.72 centimeter. Anybody lost? Oh my goodness. I'm going to... Okay, can I move on to the next question? Hello?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's look at let's look at this one here. Next question, right? I was trying to respond to somebody now. So the next question we have is this, right? All right. So here we go. This side is Q. This side is P. This side is R, right? This side is 36 kilometers. This side is 39 kilometers. Now, but what happens here from Q to R, happens to be 63, right? This one happens to be 63 here. From Q to R is 63, right? Right. Then they say calculate. The first one they want you to calculate is QT. Calculate the length of QT. The second one they want you to calculate PR. Okay, can we try that? Right, so 5 minutes. Let's see everybody can put them answer on it. Let's try it in.
Where's the T, sir?
The T should be right at the bottom. Right here, sorry. This one should be T, right? Now, just remember that from Q to R is 63 kilometers, all right? The focus here is to find, first of all, you want to find QT, then after that, your focus is to find what is what? PR. Let's try that. Anybody know what to do? How will I find QT? How are we going to find QT? That should be easy for everyone. Am I right? How do we find QT? Can somebody hear me?
Yes, sir.
So how do I find QT, please? Let's do this one. We almost, I know that everybody should be tired by now, right? So everybody should just pay attention. We'll do this when we go. How do we find QT? Which part will I use to find QT? Let's go.
Sir, I'm going PQC.
We use PQT, right? So everybody should know that by now. So all what you have to do here is this PQT. With here would have been what? We label this as C, right? C, A, and B. So right here for the I, C square is equal to A square plus B square. Yes. What else will I write down?
Sir, 39 square.
39 square, yes. Equals to, wherever I have A, what do I put?
QT.
Square.
QT square, yes. Plus
36 square.
B, 36 square, all right. Now what is 39 square?
1,521.
2005-21.
1,005.
Come again.
1,521.
Oh, 1,521. 1,000, all right. 1,521 is equal to QT square. What is 36 square, please?
1,296.
96, right? So 1,521 minus 1,296 is equal to QT square. Yes. What will I do next?
Sir, subtract and get 225.
225 is equal to QT square. Yes. They'll find the square root of 225. Okay, what do we get for QT?
15.
We get what?
15.
15, right, kilometer. All right, so we have the first one already, right? Now, we want to do the second part of the question. There we go, right? Later, I'll send something for you in the WhatsApp group to do, all right? So what will I do now? I want to find PR. Anybody can tell me what's the approach to find PR? What will I do to find PR? Think about it. How do I find PR?
First, I have to find PR.
We have to find TR. Thank you very much. We have to find TR first before we can find what? Everybody see that? We have to find what? We have to find T to R before we can find what? P to what? R. Now, so the question is this, how do I find TR?
Subtract 15 from 63.
Right, we know that in QT is what, 15 kilometers, right? So we subtract and we get, so first of all, we find TR. TR will be equals to 63 kilometers minus 15 kilometers, yes? What do we get? So 63 minus 15, what do we get?
48.
48 kilometers, right? So that means in this side that be 48 what? Kilometers. Now that we know that in this side is what? 36 years, can we now find PR? So we label the size, right? So for me to label the size here now, we're using this part of the triangle, so here that be our C, here can be A and here can be B. Now remember that the most important thing is this, the hypotenuse should always be your C, right? So we use here C square is equal to A square plus B square. Wherever you have C, what do we put? Wherever you have C, what do we put? PR square, yes. Wherever we have A, what do we put?
36 square.
36 square plus what? Right, B would have been 48 square. Now, so PR now. So 36 square will give me what? $126, right? 1,296 plus 48 square. What is 48 square?
2,304.
Come again.
2,304.
Now, so we add 1,296 plus this. When you add the two, what do we get?
3,600.
3,600. All right. Then we want to find PR now, right? So PR 3,600. That's what you said.
Yeah.
Right. So PR now, right? We want to find PR square is equal to 3,600. Now, what do we do next?
PR is equal to the square root of
Square root of 3,600. All right. Now, so let's find what is PR.
60. 60
60 watts. Kilowatts.
kilometer.
All right. So you see how what you have to do, just apply the concepts you know, right? There's no rush. All what you do is so you apply the concepts you know and you're good to go. All right. So when you get a question, the first thing you do is this: look at all the variables we have been given first. Analyze the question, then apply the concept. How you'd have applied yourself to get the answer. Then you are on the right track. Clear?
Sir.
Sir, repeat.
No, I am saying that when you get a question, always analyze the question first. Look at all the variables you have been given, right? The ins and the out, and a possible way you can work out the question, right? Then once you establish that, now you apply the concept and just do what you have to do.